Hello and welcome to the Northland. Today we got a mod we're going to put on the Jury. I'm going to flip you around here and show you what we got. So I ordered this off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below for this product if this is something you're interested in. We got ourselves some new fog lights. It seems like it should be pretty easy to put in, so we'll do the installation video here coming up, and looks like it's mostly plug and play. So it comes with the two lights, the wiring harnesses, and destructions. So let's begin, huh? All right, so first thing we got to do is take out, a little close, these bolts. There should be one here, and I think there's three up here. They are a T40, or at least the side one is. Let me see here, make sure. Yep, so they're a T40, and we'll put in both sides, that one and that one over there, and then I'll bring you back on board, and we'll show what the finished product, well, finished product as far as once they're bolted in goes. Oop, he's trying to do all this one-handed. One more. Oops. All right, there's one in, and I'm going to do my best to show what the deal is here. So here's the wire from the back of the lights. It comes with the wiring harness I showed earlier, and that plugs into there. Oops, sorry. Okay, then you got to pull out these pins so that you can pull the liner, the wheel well liner back, and then the plug is like way up there. If you can, I'm trying to move stuff out of the way here. Bear with me. I'm caught. Right up. Everything's getting in the way. Okay, right up there. Right up there. That's the one. Okay. If you got big meaty hands, or if you got fingers that don't work, like mine, it is a bear to get off, let me tell you. Once you get it off, though, plugging the other stuff in is a breeze. I already checked to make sure it worked. I suggest you do that as well before you button it all back up. So now we'll put this liner back together, and I'll go do the other side. There it is. Finished product. I'll put just the headlights on here in just a second. They are white, so, but I wanted to show that they sequential turn signals, and I'm going to tell you, the driver's side is 500 times easier than the passenger side. There it is, normal. So yeah, let me get under on the driver's side here, and I'll show you how much easier it is. So again, the small plug, here's the wires coming out of the back of the light, plug into the small plug, pull the fender back, and if it'll focus, the plug-in is right there, that one right up there. I don't know if you can see it right there, with the white wires, white and red wires. A lot easier to get your hands in there, a lot easier to pull out. And plugging them in is it's a breeze. So now we got to just tie up these wires, both this side and the other side. It does come with the little plastic zip ties. I'll probably use some different ones though, because the ones they give you aren't very sturdy. So I'll do that, and then we'll put the fender liner back on, and we'll be all done. Okay, now let's start. We'll give them a test drive on the way to work, and we'll see how much they improve the my vision at night. Alright, well, I don't know. It's hard for me to really notice too much of a difference. It does seem like the lighting closer to the vehicle and maybe a little bit wider is improved, but of course my high beams are on right now, so I guess that's going to make it a little more difficult to tell, but either way, I think it's an improvement, and for the money, I think it's It's a good mod for the cash. All right. So I hope you liked that video. I think I enjoyed making the video more than I did putting these in. Well, actually, I shouldn't say that. It was the passenger side that gave me all the problems just because of my hands hurt so bad. They're so bad with arthritis that it's hard for me to push that little tab in and pull the plug out. I actually had to use a screwdriver to pry it out. But then, like I said, the driver's side's a lot easier. So, yeah, I don't know. I think all told, well, the driver's side took me probably 5 minutes total to install the light itself and the wiring. Passenger side was a little bit longer than that, but if you're younger or have hands that work, it shouldn't be very hard for you. Total time on this project would probably be 30 minutes, maybe. And that would probably be taking a beer break in between. So, all right. Smash that like and subscribe, please, even if you did not like the video. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure you share it with somebody. Anybody. Jeep owners, especially, because you know how we like to antagonize them. Bronco owners, anybody who wants to put in a set of these lights, definitely might be interested. I will put a link for these particular lights in the description below. Yeah, so I guess that's it. I'll stop rambling. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.